Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Armadim. I am a student of Attitude Abacus Skills Best and my teacher name is Maradana Asmi Jinia. Now I am going to do Abacus Math.
Are you ready?
Yes.
111 plus 111 plus 111.
Answer 333.
333 minus 111 plus 222.
Answer 444.
444 minus 333 plus 222.
Answer 333.
222 plus 222 minus 111.
Answer 333.
555 plus 222 minus 111.
Answer 666.
777 plus 222 minus 444.
Answer 555.
333 minus 111 plus 555.
Answer 777.